Letter A sounds ah, ah, ah as in apple. Letter B sounds b, b, b as in ball. Letter C sounds k, k, k as in cat. Letter D sounds d, d, d as in door. Letter E sounds e, e, e as in elephant. Letter F sounds as in fan. Letter G sounds g, g, g as in game. Letter H sounds as in hat. Letter I sounds a, as in igloo. Letter J sounds j, j, j as in jug. Letter K sounds k, k, k as in kitten. Letter L sounds as in lollipop. Letter M sounds as in moon. Letter N sounds as in nose. Letter O sounds o, as in orange. Letter P sounds p, p, p as in parrot. Letter Q sounds p, p, p as in quail. Letter R sounds as in ring. Letter S sounds as in snake. Letter T sounds as in time. Letter U sounds as in umbrella. Letter V sounds as in fan. Letter W sounds wo, wo, wo as in water. X sounds x, x as in xylophone. Letter Y sound, as in yo-yo. Letter Z sound, z, 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 as in zip.